Tyrell. A photo. We're filming it, man.
To the last window. Yes, we're here to pick up Josiah. Alrighty. Thank you. Proceed down the middle. What's up ahead? What we do at stop sign?
Stop.
Can you go to the right?
No.
Oh, you can't go to the right?
Wrong way.
Alright, take a left. Go down the inside lane. And once you pass that blue, make a quick stop. The last blue pole. Alrighty. Make sure nothing else is ahead of you. Proceed. What's up ahead?
You.
What we do a yield sign?
Slow down.
Slow down and look both ways. Go to the outside lane and then maneuver over to the left lane with your turn signal. Okay, go down the middle lane. You trying to swing like me. What's up ahead?
Stop sign.
What we do a stop sign?
Stop.
Alrighty. Can you go to the right?
No.
Why?
Wrong way.
Can you go to the left?
Yes.
Can you go straight?
Yes.
Alright. Take a left hand turn. Stay in the outside lane. Slow it down some. We in the parking lot. Deer might pop out. Kid might pop out.
Kids.
Stay to the outside. We need to pick up my cousin. Hey there, did Risha come today? Okay, yeah, I'm cousin. Yes, ma'am. I'm on the list. Alright, thank you. Proceed to the yield sign. And go down the middle lane. And find a parking spot.
Go down the middle lane, find a parking spot.
Hmm?
Go in the middle lane, find a parking spot.
Yeah. Stay on your side of the road. Brake. You coming in hot now. Check your lines. You in or over?
And
Okay. Yeah, you can pull up some more. Just straighten it up. What's going on, Maya? Reverse back out to the right. And then proceed to the stop sign.
oh, you said right back out to the right.
Yeah, to the right. Keep turning. Alright, then put some gas to it. Some more. Enough to where you get away from the parking spots. And that you won't hit nobody's car trying to pull forward. Who you done hit now?
A ghost car.
What's up ahead?
Stop sign.
What we do a stop sign?
Huh?
What we do a stop sign? Okay. And once you get to this stop sign, you're gonna reverse from that one straight back. And if it's straight back, that means you shouldn't enter no parking spaces or the other side of the lane, because it's straight back. All you gotta do is keep the wheel straight.
Just straight back.
Yeah, straight back. Alright, you can start. You can stop. Alright, pull into a driving spot, parking spot. You might have to go from that. Well, no, you can't because it's a one lane. But you probably gonna have to straighten up because you're pretty close.
I can't go down now.
Yeah, you can go down there. Wherever you feel is a good spot.
Handicap.
Matter of fact, reversing to a spot.
Reverse into a
Yeah. No, that's the wrong way. You gotta turn to the right. Because we're reversing. Use your mirrors so you can see the lines. Okay.
No.
What went wrong? You didn't straighten up. You still kept the wheel turned. So pull forward. You was in there, you just kept the wheel the wrong way. You didn't let it straighten up. And use your mirrors so you can see the lines. What, the wheel? Yep. I felt that as soon as you started coming back. I see the lines, so you should too. And which way is your wheel? Keep it right there. Alright, pull forward to the, put it in park, and make sure and check your lines. You good? Alright, proceed to the right. And when you make a right hand turn, what you gonna do?
Stop.
And what else? You're making a right hand turn.
Oh, Charles didn't lay on this stop.
Right. What are you in, park? That'll get you every time. This time, proceed straight to that stop sign at the end of the road.
Dip or down?
Yeah. What do we call this type of road? A curve. What's up ahead?
Stop sign.
Alright. Stop after you pass the black part. Put it in park. Alright. Road. Ain't nobody coming.
We are less than 12 hours away from a whole brand new decade. Guess what?
Alright, proceed to the playground.
I got things that y'all want to do in 2020. And my sisters, Miss Shanika, and Ray, Questions of Creed, K. Simone, they will all be at the Vision Board Brunch 2020, Saturday, January 11th at the Cafe Social House, located at 1400 Veterans, Southeast Memorial Highway. Registration kicks off at
To the playground?
Yeah, slow it down. In the residential area.
You can get there early, log on to hotspot.atl.com for more information. Keep it registered. I know. I want to set y'all 2020s up the right way, A-Town. I want to come kick it off in a great environment.
What you did?
My dog DJ Monte is coming back before I pull up.
Okay. That didn't go as planned, but
It's the Atlanta New Year's Eve Comedy Bash. Come out and enter 2019 with good laughs.
Oh, you about to run that over.
And it's all online by comedian extraordinaire Special K from the Richie Smiley Morning Show. Hey, it's your man, comedian extraordinaire Special K
You gonna
from
look
the
close.
Richie Smiley Morning Show. Make sure you bring in your New Year's Eve with me.
Alright, put it in park.
At the Atlanta Comedy
Gonna be
Theater,
here for all.
2 shows at 7:30 and 10 p.m. Get your tickets at AtlantaComedyTheater.com.